Nestled amidst the lush expanse of the Atlantic forest, Lab House is a testament to architectural ingenuity and nature's sublime beauty. Conceived as a floating observatory, the residence gracefully hovers above the verdant canopy, offering an unparalleled vantage point of the vast ocean beyond. This architectural marvel is brought to life by Studio Arthur Casas, whose vision transformed a plot of land into a harmonious interplay of structure and environment. To achieve this ethereal quality, the architects employed an innovative approach. Towering metal fins, clad in warm wood, form the house's distinctive facade. These 4-meter-high elements, anchored by an L-shaped metal structure, appear to defy gravity as they extend upwards, creating a sense of lightness and transparency. This structural ingenuity allowed the house to seamlessly integrate with its surroundings, as if emerging organically from the forest floor. The interior spaces are carefully orchestrated to maximize the connection with nature. The bedrooms, cocooned in tranquility, occupy the lower levels, where large windows and private balconies offer intimate glimpses of the forest's vibrant life. A spa, sauna, and gym are thoughtfully positioned beneath, inviting residents to indulge in relaxation and wellness. As one ascends to the intermediate level, the heart of the home unfolds. A spacious living room, seamlessly merging with a gourmet kitchen and a sun-kissed terrace, epitomizes indoor-outdoor living. This elevated position, at the height of the treetops, provides an immersive experience of the surrounding ecosystem. The refreshing caress of the sea breeze, mingling with the forest's cool air, creates a sensory delight. The upper floor is a private sanctuary dedicated to contemplation and the panoramic beauty of the ocean. A generous balcony, framed by glass railings, offers an uninterrupted 180-degree vista of the horizon. Here, one can lose themselves in the rhythm of the waves and the whispering secrets of the wind. The materials palette for Lab House is a harmonious blend of nature and refinement. The irregular stone cladding of the facade echoes the rugged beauty of the landscape, while the warm tones of wood introduce a sense of organic warmth. Inside, the interior design, featuring Arthur Casas' signature pieces, such as the Fusca sofa, Colombo desk, and square coffee table, complements the overall aesthetic, creating a space that is both sophisticated and inviting. Lab House is more than just a residence, it is a celebration of nature's grandeur and human ingenuity. It is a place where the boundaries between indoors and outdoors dissolve, and where the soul finds solace in the embrace of the natural world. And there you have it, a glimpse into the stunning lab house by Studio Arthur Casas. This project is a testament to the seamless blend of nature and contemporary design. If you're inspired by this architectural masterpiece, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. And for more incredible homes and design inspiration, subscribe to our channel. We've got plenty more architectural gems in store for you. Thanks for watching.